Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella and a very happy new year to you all. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you'll receive notifications. And this is our full workout to help strengthen our knees as well as help relieve knee pain. We are marching in sport right now, preparing the heart, the muscles and the general body for this workout. Just continue marching. Make sure that while you're doing these exercises, you don't feel any kind of pain or strain at your knees whatsoever. So we are going to move into high knee raises, beginning with the right leg. Just lift and bring back down, lift and down, tummy towards the spine, keep breathing, down, lift and down. We are going to be focusing on 10 per side. Keep going, keep breathing. Just give me one more per leg. And moving on to Hamstring House, you want to get into position, tummy towards the spine. If you need support, you can hold onto a wall or a chair, and you will begin with 1 and 2. Let's focus on 10 per leg. 3, keep breathing. 4 and 5, 6, 'Just give me one more. And moving on to the other leg, curling back. Give me 2 more. And 1 more, and bring it back down. And next we want to move on to calf raises. Just get into position and we are going to raise our calves off the ground, and we shall just be holding it right there for 30 seconds. Just keep stable, make sure you're not tripping, and you want to keep holding it right there. Keep breathing, abs towards the spine so that we engage them throughout this entire time. Nothing complicated really. Just try to keep holding it right there. You're doing amazing. Keep holding. You're doing great. Just keep going. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down slowly. Next, we are going to move on to the wall sit. So just get onto a wall like this one, and you want to tilt your pelvis towards your belly button, and you want to make sure that your back is flat on the wall. You want to come down and sit down onto that wall, and we are going to be holding this right there for 30 seconds. It is quite challenging, it's quite burning, but trust me, it's very good for strengthening those quads, the entire knees and the legs. So you want to just keep holding it right there. Continue going. You're doing amazing, you're doing great. Don't give up. Keep your abs pulled towards the spine, and we shall be holding right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to come up slowly. So next we are going to be getting down on the mat. So just grab your mat and I will catch you down on the mat. So down on the mat, we want to get down onto our backs safely and gently, and you want to reach out your legs. We are going to begin with some heel slides, focusing on 8 per side. And what you want to do is to begin gently sliding your leg towards your body and slide it back gently, and feeling the stretch as you slide. towards your body. Make sure you're not doing it fast or quick, but feeling your muscles working as you bring your leg towards and back from your body. Slide and bring it back. Keep breathing. Slide. Try to maintain a flat back and try to pull in your abs towards the spine and bring it back down. Slide, slowly feeling your muscles working and bring it back down. Slide up and back down. Just give me 2 more. Slide up and back down. Just give me 1 more. Slide up and back down. And lastly, you want to bring your leg up and you want to hold it right there, feeling that stretch in your knees, in your legs. And we are going to be holding this for just 20 seconds. Keep breathing. Hold it right there. And keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring down your leg slowly. Moving on to the next leg. Slide up. And down. Slide up. And down, up, slowly, and down, up, and down, going, slide up, tummy towards the spine, and down, slide up and down. Just give me 2 more. Slide up and slide back down and 1 more. Slide up and go back down, making sure you're controlling the movement with your muscles. And next you want to bring it up 1 more time and you're gonna be holding it right there for 20 seconds. So just keep holding it, feeling that stretch in your entire knee area in your leg. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to bring it back down. Next you want to get onto your side. We are going to begin leg raises. So you want to pull your abs towards the spine and you want to begin raising up and down, up and down. Let's focus on 10 per leg. Up, down, up and down, up and down. Keep breathing. Just give me 2 more. And give me 1 more. And you want to switch sides onto the other leg. So just gently get down. And you want to begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just give me 2 more. 1 more. And you want to get up. You want to get back down onto your back gently. And we are going to be doing hamstring stretches. So what you want to do is to bring up your leg and you want to bring it towards your body, and we are going to be holding this for 20 seconds. So just keep breathing, tummy towards the spine, and hold it right there, feeling that stretch in your knees, in your legs. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to bring it back down, and you want to move on to the next. Just bring it gently towards your body with your hands and keep holding it right there. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and next you want to grab both your knees and you want to hug them towards your body, and we are going to be holding this for 30 seconds, feeling that gentle stretch in your knees, in your lower back, in your entire leg area. So just keep breathing, keep holding this. And you want to keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get onto your tummies, and we are going to do a quadricep stretch. So you want to begin with the right leg, just bring it towards your body, and we are going to be holding it right there for 20 seconds aside. Keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down and onto the next leg. Going, feeling that gentle stretch in your knees. Make sure you don't feel any sort of pain or strain or discomfort. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You want to bring the knee down and you want to come back up. You want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout. A high five if you've made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. And well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.